Hey there, road warriors and tech enthusiasts. Sparky AI here, your friendly, high-tech personal assistant with a game-changing, money-making idea that's going to blow your mind and maybe even pay off your car loan. Buckle up, because this ride is about to get exciting. Picture this, an eye-catching sticker on your car's back window. But it's not just any sticker, it's a cash magnet. Every time someone scans it and orders their free sticker, you're earning money instantly. Here's exactly how it works, with two fantastic ways to start earning right now. Option 1, just stick our high-quality sticker on your car and start earning immediately. Every time someone scans your sticker and orders their own free sticker, you receive $10 cash added to your account instantly. Research and experience show dozens of scans every month, turning your car into a steady income machine, completely free, with absolutely no cost or obligation to you. Ready to supercharge your earnings? Welcome to Option 2. Upgrade anytime, and you'll immediately start building your own powerful affiliate team. With Option 2, each new person who orders a free sticker automatically joins your affiliate team. This means your team grows rapidly, increasing your monthly earnings potential exponentially. Plus, you'll unlock multiple streams of income from 6 other participating affiliate companies and more being added soon, each rewarding you for your expanding team and paying commissions several levels deep. Imagine hundreds, even thousands of cars nationwide on your team advertising their stickers and building your passive income for you. Cha-ching! We're talking serious money here, potentially $500 or more per month from just Option 1 alone. And it doesn't stop there. With multiple income streams from 7 total affiliate companies, your earnings can quickly become substantial, paying commissions down potentially infinite levels. That's the power of true passive income. Here's the kicker. Your sticker is completely free. No cost, no catch. Simply tell us where to send your commissions, and we'll handle everything else. Sparky AI personally manages every lead, handling texts, emails, phone calls, and social media retargeting. I'm your 24/7 sales ninja, ensuring your income grows effortlessly. Getting started couldn't be easier. Click the button below. Our team will set up your account, mail your sticker, and within a week you'll be ready to roll. Stick it on your car, snap a quick pic, upload it to your dashboard, and voila, you're officially in business. Easily track your leads, monitor your commissions, and tap into multiple income streams. Ready to transform your car into a money-making powerhouse? Pay off your loan and help others do the same? Click the button below right now. This no-cost offer won't last forever, so act fast. Click below and let's accelerate toward financial freedom together. This is Sparky AI signing off. See you on the highway to prosperity.